What can I use to fade the dark spot on my face? What can I use to fade the dark spot on my body? And trust me, girls, I have been in that shoes, and everybody on this world is treating a dark spot. Every lady is treating dark spots. It comes once in a while. So what we need to do is that we need to discover the triggers. What actually causes dark spots? What causes dark spots? So by the time we know the triggers, we're able to know how we could actually prevent them or how we can heal them. Even as I am now, I'm treating one dark spot or the other. Everybody in this world has dark spot. Even if you have the most perfect skin, there'll be one acne flare up that will come out, or a mosquito bite, or you hit your hand somewhere, and then when it's healing, it turns to a dark spot. You start looking for how to fade the dark spot. Do not be insecure about your dark spots. Everybody has dark spots, but everybody cures it in different ways, and everybody can heal that dark spot in different way. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to fade your dark spots. What is the major causes of dark spots? I'm going to give you 5 major causes. The first causes of dark spots, dark spot is caused by post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. This is caused by acne. This is the after causes of acne, burns, rashes, and irritation. So by the time you get all those things, when it's about to heal, it gives you what we call PIH, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. The second reason why we have dark spots is sun exposure. Yes, sun exposure. So the UV ray actually triggers melanin production, and every of our skins have different ways in which they produce melanin. A dark person produces more melanin than a light-skinned person. The third reason in which we have dark spots is hormonal changes, especially in pregnancy. You notice that some pregnant women, there's some places darker than the other. They can have a more darker neck, a more darker armpit, and all these are due to hormonal changes. Hormonal changes during pregnancy or from birth control. Sometimes you notice that when you've been on birth control for so long, you know that birth controls is one of the underlying causes of some of your hyperpigmentation that you have, because hormonal changes is one of the causes of hyperpigmentation that many of you do not know. Oh, I have dark neck, oh, I have this, I have that. It's based on hormonal changes. That's why people that are suffering hormonal imbalance, they tend to have more hyperpigmentation in most places than the others. So make sure you try to balance your hormone, and make sure you try to reduce the birth control pills, or you try to balance your hormones, and by also reducing some birth control pills. Another reason is by picking on your skin, like trying to a pimple, trying to pitch yourself, you get a mosquito bite, you're picking on your skin. So those things can actually cause dark spots. What are the best ingredients you use to clear dark spots? I'm talking about dark spot on the face and also the body. So I'm going to give you general knowledge, then I'll also go ahead to list out the product. First product you can incorporate into your routine is azelaic acid. Azelaic acid is very, very good, and it's great for PHI, that's post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. It's great for also acne, healing of the acne. Also great for face redness. Just know that sometimes PHI comes in different ways. It can appear to be dark spots. As a light-skinned person, some of my dark spots can be red, but it's still called PHI. So azelaic acid is very, very good for hyperpigmentation for any part of your body. You can use it every day or even twice a day, but I would like to use it once a day. An example of an azelaic product is the Nineless Azelaic Toner or the Nineless Azelaic Serum. They are very, very good. Then we also have this Exenic azelaic acid. This is 20%. If you know that your skin it is sensitive, I would rather tell you to buy a liquid azelaic toner, because the one that comes in tubes, they are highly concentrated. I think this contains 10 or 15%. Is a bit harsh for some skin. And when you're using azelaic acid, make sure you go in with hyaluronic acid, ceramide, or centella toner. Another ingredient that can be used to cure your dark spot is niacinamide. This is something you should incorporate into your face routine or your body routine. They are nice niacinamide, very cheap, that you can use on your skin. Niacinamide is something you can use morning and night. It's going to help to brighten up your skin, because not everybody can use vitamin C. I love vitamin C a lot, but not all skin can tolerate vitamin C, because vitamin C is not good for an oily skin. But vitamin C is normally great for dark spots. It helps to brighten dull skin, especially good vitamin C. You know, when you're talking about vitamin C, I'm not talking about all those cheap ones that just doesn't have active vitamin C. When you want to go for vitamin C and you want to see the work of that vitamin C, go for vitamin C that has active vitamin C, not just the one that they diluted, like the ones we buy 3K, 4K, Piamia, Dr. Rachel. They are good, but they are diluted. If you want to go for a vitamin C that would give you the work, you talk about advanced clinical vitamin C, you talk about timeless vitamin C, you talk about balanced vitamin C. These vitamin C, they would actually help to target dark spots. Vitamin C can actually brighten your skin 3 times. Depends on the active ingredients in it. Depends on how active the vitamin C is in it. But anyways, for us that we could not really afford all those big brands, we can actually go with half cast, this very cheap one. You can go with Beauty Formula, Dr. Rachel. They will still give you the work, but you need to be patient and it takes a bit of time. So whenever you want to use vitamin C, make sure you use it in the morning. And if you're using it in the morning, use it with a sunscreen. If you know you hate sunscreen, use the vitamin C at night. My favorite dark spot remover active, Alpha Arbutin, guys. Alpha Arbutin, you can find it in The Ordinary. Use any of those brands of Alpha Arbutin. Alpha Arbutin is very nice, even for the body. You have dark spot on the body, use Alpha Arbutin oil. You can find it in Vit Gold Alpha Arbutin. You can find it in Alpha Arbutin scrubs, Vit Gold Dr. Mina. You can find it in Skin Point Alpha Arbutin. Any Alpha Arbutin oil is actually going to help for those dark spots. Another ingredient for dark spots is tretinool, guys. Using tretinool, you can use the retinol body wash like Olay. You can also use a tretinool tube. Yes, you can use a tretinool tube, but start from a very less percentage. It actually helps to target dark spots. But do you know the combo that I love so much? Tretinool and hydroquinone. In triloma, in melanophrine, these two things will actually clear off your dark spots in no time. A hydroquinone tube mixed with tretinool, just apply it on those places, directly on those places 4 times in a week. If you use it today, don't use it tomorrow. So when you finish having your bath, you take the triloma or the melanophrine directly on those places. It could be after you rub your body lotion, or after you rub your body lotion first, then you apply it on those places. Then if you have a body oil, it could be a turmeric oil or hyaluronic acid oil, you can then apply them that on it. And you see those dark spots, those scars. If your dark spot is now stubborn, you can then add glycolic acid. The glycolic acid, there is a cheaper one. This Pixel is a bit cheaper. I think it's less than 9,000 naira. You use this on the affected area. Let's say you're trying to target dark elbows, guys. You use the toner on that area. Use the toner on the area, then you buffer it with a hyaluronic acid serum. These are cheaper ones or expensive ones. When you buffer it with hyaluronic serum, then you can then apply your body lotion on it. That means your hydrating body lotion. You do this like 4 or 5 times a day, and you see that place begin to fade. Or you can also use the melanophrine or triloma or hydroquinone forte tube, but you can only use this 3 to 4 times a week, and make sure you're applying a sunscreen on those places when stepping out. Then make sure you avoid friction. It's friction that causes that all those places to get darker. Whenever you're treating your dark elbows or a dark spot on your body or in your face, make sure you are going in with enough sunscreen. Another serum that can help in dark spots is trisemic acid. Trisemic acid is actually very nice. Trisemic acid will help target melasma and target your dark spot as well. You can use this every day, and they are in this product. Then another active again is kojic acid, our popular kojic acid. Kojic acid is actually very, very, very nice. It actually helps to target dark spots. So when you take your kojic acid bar soap, apply it on your body, allow it stay for a while before you wash it off. If you are consistent, the dark spots will fade away. Then also glycolic acid toners. You can add glycolic acid toner to your body cream. This is how you do it. Take your glycolic acid toner, you pour it in your hand. Okay, any of your body lotion, okay, you rub it together, then you apply it on your dark elbows, your dark neck, your body where you have dark spots, your back, you do this 4 times in a week. It could be this glycolic toner, it could be Pixel, it could be Reverse, any of this. You apply it on those places 4 times a week. On your chest, if you have a dark spot on your chest, apply it on your chest as well. Another thing you can do, pour this into a spray, pour it into a spray bottle, spray it on your skin. When you spray it on your skin, you rub it in. After you rub it in, you take your body lotion and put it on your body, and all those places that you have dark spots is going to fade away. That is how I was able to clear my own dark spot. I used glycolic acid. Now, another thing you should actually consider using to clear your dark spot is AHAs and BHAs. You can actually consider using glutathione whitening cream. You can also consider using any of this oil, Moroccan argan oil. You can actually use retinol oil to fade dark spots, because you need oil to assist yourself with. You need even turmeric oil. You actually need turmeric soap. You actually need whitening soaps as well. I have a video about whitening soap, so go and check this video out. All the whitening soaps are there. You can use them alongside with this treatment so you can see faster results. Then, if it's on your face, you can actually consider using lactic acid on your face. You can actually consider using lactic acid and glycolic acid on your face if your face is not so sensitive. So guys, when I was battling with this, I had chest problem. This is how my chest used to look like. I had a lot of dark spots, but it takes time. I had a lot of dark spot on my chest. I started using a salicylic acid combo with glycolic. What will the salicylic acid do for me? Because I was breaking out a lot. Salicylic acid will help me not to break out so much. So you know that it's mostly acne that causes 80% of our dark spots. So make sure you try to treat the root cause of that acne. If it's reaction, you treat it. If it's fungal reaction, you get fungal creams like this. If it's acne or pimples, you get cream like this. You can get clindamycin, you can get sulfur soaps, you can get turmeric soap, you can get retin A soap, you can get salicylic acid in all this, salicylic acid serum, neutrogena salicylic acid serum. You can actually get a benzoyl peroxide to just help to kill those acne, because lesser acne or less pimples leads to less dark spots. You need to first treat the acne or the pimples causing that dark spots before you start trying to treat the dark spots. So I got these two combos, salicylic acid and glycolic, together, but I heard that they no longer sell this again. This is actually very scarce in the market. In fact, the last time I bought it for about 27,000 naira. It's a bit scarce, but they have another one. They have this other one. You can get this one, Neutrogena. You can also get this blackhead cleanser. You can also get the tube as well. So this one contains salicylic acid. It can actually help to reduce the breakout. Then you can also use a normal glycolic acid to fade out the dark spots. Now, you know me, I always talk about how to maintain the results. It's not about cleaning your dark spots. You need to maintain results, because after my chest looks like that, I still get 1 or 2 popping, but it still comes and go. So if you know you're having reoccurring pimples or acne, it turns red, it might be a fungal infection, make sure you use ketoconazole creams, this kind of creams. Then if you know it's on your face, use salicylic acid serums. Get it with a niacinamide serum, because not everybody uses vitamin C, but if you can use vitamin C, use something like this as well. Then you are good to go. Use a good moisturizer. You could be simple, Neutrogena, Guarnier, ceramide, and use a hyaluronic acid. You can use this Centella serum if you have the money. You can use slime serum. This is just for hydration, to hydrate your skin. That is for face. Then for body, yeah, you need to go in with, I like turmeric oil, I like turmeric soap, I like arbutin oil as well, I like vitamin C oils, I like vitamin C creams. You get a good one that you use to maintain the result on your skin, and that is how your dark spot is going to be faded. That is how your dark spot is going to be faded. Please like and subscribe, and let me know how you were able to fade your own dark spots. Have you been in this position? How were you able to fade your own dark spots, so we can actually learn from you? So please, consistency is key. It takes about 3 months plus to completely fade off a dark spot. Be consistent. Thank you.